Hello students, lecture 71. In this lecture we will discuss two articles, rather two questions, and these two questions are very important. First question is what are the technological and institutional reforms introduced by Government of India in support of farmers? And second question is contribution of agriculture to the national economy, employment and output. So first question is technological and institutional reforms. In the field of institutional reforms, government has introduced various measures, that is from 1960s, 70s, before that, after independence, end of Jamindari system, introduction of green revolution on the basis of package system, then crop insurance, then loans from banks, agricultural loans, Kisan credit card, personal accident insurance schemes for farmers, DD Kisan channel which provide information to the farmers for various crops and diseases. And in the field of technology, improvised seeds, better fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides and disease control, crops disease control, better irrigation system, pump irrigation, tube well irrigation, sprinklers, mega machines for cultivation, sowing and harvesting are some technological advances introduced by Government of India in support of farmers. Another question is contribution of agriculture in the national economy, employment and output. Agriculture is the backbone of industries as their raw material and for other inputs. Agriculture contributes significantly to the national economy as 60% economy depends on agriculture and it contributes to GDP as well. In terms of employment, about 52% workforce, that total out of the working people, 52% people are directly engaged in agriculture sector, or 60% of the total population depends on agriculture and related sector, which in itself is a big support in employment. And then third one is output. Agriculture has given a big output in the field of production of crops, variety of production of crops, food grains, cereals, fruits, vegetables, pulses and so on. So that's all, and it is followed by the text question answers based on these two questions. And these two questions are very important in exams. These questions are asked every time. Thank you very much. Keep on watching, listening, reading and writing.